So let's continue to learn more about what advanced parameters we can add to our prompts. So let's talk about stylization. And currently in version 4, the default stylization is set to 100 for all of your prompts. This means that Midjourney is going to take what you said, add some creativity to it, stylize it a little bit, and then output your image. If we went down to something like stylize 50, it's going to really take what you said very clearly, not have a lot of room for interpretation, and put out exactly, these are illustrated figs. So that's exactly what it gave it to us in a little bit of a bland way. If we go to the other side, up to stylization 750, it's subtle, but it adds more of its own unique twist to that parameter. Next up is the tile parameter function. So this is cool because it's going to actually create a repeatable pattern that if you pasted it side by side, it's going to be seamless. So this is a pretty unique use case. You're not going to use this every day, but if you wanted to create a pattern for wallpaper or some other kind of digital art, using dash dash tile will make the borders of your image repeatable. And next up is version styles. This is one of the new additions to version 4, but version 4 comes with 3 different unique flavors or styles for each one of your prompts. So here's an example of the prompt of vibrant California poppies. Version 4A, 4B, and 4C all popped out a subtly different output. And if you find that you test this out and you like, let's say, style C, that's something that you can apply to all your future prompts to really start to hone in on your unique look, because that's definitely a part of using Midjourney, is finding prompts that you reuse, parameters that you reuse, and that will really allow you to start creating your own unique flavor. And the last prompt that I wanted to talk about for this lesson is the no prompt. And this is going to allow you to tell Midjourney what not to include. Everything else we've talked about is what to include, but if you do minus minus, no clouds, now it's going to pop out an image of this moon example that we're using without any of the clouds. And just for reference, here's the initial grid versus this second example, which has no clouds. So it's really cool that Midjourney can go in and extract that type of such a specific request. And this can be handy for if you don't want the color red, if you really just want to control the image more, I can say no blue and it's going to remove all the blue, or no yellow for these examples.